guys, do I have something special for you today? I have Sichuan style wonton dumplings, and they're just filled with little meat bits and also scallions, and oh my gosh, there is this sauce that is to die for, made with a little bit of the molasses vinegar, so it's a little bit tangy and sweet and salty. Ugh, it's just to die for, so I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start off with 1 cup of vegan meat crumbles. You can use TVP, you can use beans, you can use, I don't know, like firm tofu. I'm gonna put in a little bit of minced garlic, some salt, some sugar, some white pepper. Recipe is going to be all down below. And then this is Sichuan wine. So that just kind of adds a little bit of depth to the backdrop. And I'm just gonna mix that all up to make sure that the meat crumbles kind of absorb all of these guys. Following that, I'm gonna put in right around 1 cup of scallions, and then I actually put in a 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder towards the end. And you just wanna put this guy aside, rest it for about 15 minutes so that all of the flavors have time to marinate. Now, time for that sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, followed by 2 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorn, a tablespoon of sugar with just, a little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced ginger, and now get this, a 1/4 cup of really hot oil. And you just want the heat there so that it'll help all of the herbs and spices release all of that fragrance into the oil. So afterwards, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then right around 3 tablespoons of this Chongqing vinegar, which is kind of like a sweetened molassesy vinegar, so it's really going to add a lot to this sauce. I'm just finishing this off with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this magical sauce is done. Oh right, almost forgot about the dumplings. So I have a dumpling wrappers recipe that I recently put up, so I'll put that up above and down below, and I'm just gonna fill it with 1 tablespoon of filling. So here's the technique. I give a squeeze right in the middle, and then to the left and to the right, I fold towards the center, and that's how you're going to get kind of the shape that we're gonna do. So about 3 folds, right? So now onto the left side, 1 fold, 2 folds, and then 3 folds, and they all aim towards the center like so. And you're gonna get something like this. Everybody folds in different ways, so just kind of look up online what is your favorite folding style, and you can try something like that. Looking gorgeous as usual. So these guys go into a preheated steamer right on a medium-high heat, and I steam them right around 10 to 12 minutes. You guys know the usual. The shot that never gets old. So as good as these guys are steamed, some of you guys might want to also pan fry them as well, get them a little bit crispy and get that coating outside, but that's really up to you. And then of course, that gorgeous, gorgeous sauce that's like sweet and salty and tangy, just has all of the goodies on it. I'm not gonna leave until I try it for you, but this guy was so good. It was like super savory on the inside. I love how the wrapper was like just right in thickness, and of course that sauce just brought everything together. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give this a try. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!